Ciao a tutti, I am Toni Allegra. Welcome to Toni's Home. If you want to know how to cook funny, easy and original Italian recipe, you are in right place. Today I want to prepare with you pasta with capsicum. Well, I don't eat capsicum, but if you follow me at the end, I explain you why I prepare pasta with capsicum. Look at this beautiful ingredient. These are typical ingredients of summer, where capsicum, red and sweet tomatoes, the gold of Puglia, extra virgin olive oil, and homemade fresh pasta. I don't make this pasta, it's my children that make for me. But if you don't want to make pasta and don't have somebody that make for you, don't worry to buy the pasta that you like, but I suggest you to buy farfalle or penne. Now, to stop to talk and start to cook.
Sadly for Mom, she does not eat capsicum because it is indigestible for her. Onions too can take quite a toll on my mom's stomach, not to mention my dad's. So pay attention to the following tips to make both capsicum and onions easy to digest, so you don't accidentally send your family or guests to the toilet tonight. And the first one is putting the onions finely chopped in icy water.
Sto usando l'acqua con il ghiaccio perché ho letto che immergendo le cipolle nell'acqua col ghiaccio prima di cucinarle diventano più digeribili. Non so se è vero, proviamo a vedere se è vero.
The next tip is about capsicums. Remove all the stalk, seeds, and the white parts, which are strongly indigestible, and leave only the fleshy part. We picked red capsicum because they are comparatively more digestible than the yellow and green ones. Don't ask me why or how, because I don't even know myself. Squeezing some lemons on the capsicum is another little tip that seems to help our digestive system. But the most important tip is removing the skin of the capsicum, which is the main culprit of bloatedness and discomfort. The easiest way to peel the capsicums is roasting them.
Yesterday night I prepared some dough for bake in the same time the bread. In this way I save my time and my money.
Roasted peppers are among the Apulian delicacies. I remember that once my grandma had made so many, we all grew sick of eating capsicums all day and every day. Anyways, for this recipe, we only need to keep them in a preheated oven for just 15 minutes at 180 Celsius, enough to easily peel them. Let the capsicums cool down in a closed pan until you can handle them. The moisture trapped under the lid helps in the peeling process. It seems that the best way to neutralize any residual elements of the capsicum that would make you regret later eating them is frying it. Let's do that together with the onions then.
I put extra virgin olive oil, onion.
We start with browning the onions at medium-high heat. Add some ground chili pepper. When the onions are soft and translucent, add the capsicum and the cherry tomatoes.
Piatto ricco miccificco!
Yes, Mom, olives and capers is what we need. Add oregano and salt. And half tablespoon of sugar, which seems to give an extra help with the unpleasant side effect of capsicum. Close the lid and simmer for 20 minutes, mixing every now and then. Add a bit of water if the sauce is drying too much.
I put half of my sauce in this bowl for blend.
Blending part of the sauce is Mom's trick to get a sauce that sticks on the pasta and to make the look of the final dish more appealing, with the right mix between fine and coarse texture.
Questo sugo è un po' troppo per la quantità di pasta, quindi ne tolgo un po'. Questa sarà la cena per stasera per noi. Cucino una volta sola. It's time to cook my beautiful pasta.
The pasta is al dente and we can toss it in the saucepan.
Non ci riesco mai. Comunque, volete sapere perché ho fatto la pasta con i peperoni? Semplicemente perché ho comprato 3 peperoni all'inizio di questa settimana. Non sono riuscita a preparare le conserve che volevo preparare e quindi prima di andare a rifare la spesa domani consumo tutto ciò che c'è nel frigo e stasera si mangia pasta con i peperoni.
This is an unusual dish for Tony's home indeed, but it looks delicious. Unfortunately, those like you and I who are just behind a screen can only stare at it while Mom can have her mania mania time. Well, I just need to wait for dinner time.
Magna magna moment! Non è buono, è buonissimo! If you wanted to know if I survive of capsicum, watch the next video. Subscribe, push the belly, and don't forget that every day is a sunny day in Toni's home. Ciao!